Here's a little quick tip while I'm halfway through a project. I've got a detached dwelling that I've drawn as existing. This is the survey. And as part of the survey, I picked up that the garage was a single skin construction with piers. So I've just gone through and modified this wall by splitting it to create piers. So that the existing wall here is 120mm thick. By creating a split, I've then created a pier which is 220mm thick. Just to demonstrate how I've done that, if I click the wall and click this split tool, looks like an axe, draw a line and say which side of the line I want the split to be, I've then split that wall into two. If I click that wall again and split again here, I've then got an isolated section of wall which I can give a different thickness to of 220, and then I can position it horizontally to the correct dimensions. In doing so, when I go back to the 3D view, those walls now have been modified and now project through the roof, so I need to get rid of those, trim them back down. So this is just a quick refresher recap on solid element operations. So to do so, I need to open up the design solid element operations box, which I've already opened. It's on my other monitor. If I drag that here so you can see it, that's the box. Now this can be done in 3D view or in 2D view whilst on elevation. It's quite useful to do it in 3D view so you can make sure everything is as you'd expect. So I want this roof and this roof to be the cutting plane, which is going to chop these walls and make them disappear. So I'll select those two roofs and I will add those as the operators. I'll then select the walls that I want to trim individually, and obviously to select multiple walls I'm holding down the shift key as I do this. And once I've made that selection, I'll add those as the target. They're the ones that I want to modify using the operator, which is the roof. And what I want to do is subtract the walls with upward extrusion. So I want to get rid of everything upwards of the operator. Click on execute. And there we go. The model now looks as it should.